Hello, welcome to this outreach session of LD at 75 Platinum Jubilee Celebration. I am Dr. Rajul Gajjar, Principal of LD College of Engineering. Let us start with the vision of LD College of Engineering. We aim to contribute to sustainable development through excellence in technical education and research by transforming our students into responsible citizens and competent professionals. LD started in 1948 with 3 undergraduate courses. Today, we offer 14 undergraduate and 17 postgraduate courses with 268 faculty of professors, associate professors, and assistant professors. LD has undergone many times accreditation process through the National Board of Accreditation, which is according to the Washington Accord. Very recently also, 3 of our undergraduate programs of civil, mechanical, and electrical have been accredited. 2 more have already undergone accreditation, and so the story goes on. We have been awarded the Best Engineering Institution, 5-star rating. We offer our programs in almost all the domains of engineering, starting with automobile, civil, computer, IT, mechanical, textile, you name it all. We have a lush green campus, which is also a sustainable campus of 59 acres, 12 academic blocks, 8 hostel buildings, cricket grounds, sports facilities, very good linkages with many government departments, industries, and research organizations such as ATIRA, PRL, ISRO, which are in our vicinity. Placements have been very high. 620 companies have recently visited, and we have also been awarded for our placements. Academic excellence has always been the forte of LD Engineering, and we are moving on to research now with 90 PhD students working under our supervisors, 752 master's degree students, and a total of 5,800 students. Faculty 268. The AICTE requires a student-faculty ratio of 1:25. We are well within it with a ratio of 1:24. We have some very good centers of excellence with industry partners. 2 major among them are the Siemens Center of Excellence in Aerospace and Defense, and the Keepsake Welding Research and Skill Development Center with one of our very own alumni. A very good club culture in technical, extra, and co-curricular ecosystem with the RM Innovation Cell, catering as a pre-incubator to our innovators, and the Prakalpa Cell with ISRO. We have the SAE and the ISHRE and many other clubs working on campus proliferately, giving exposure to students in all the domains. Shout outs. We have been awarded as the Best State Institute for Innovation. Very recently at the GTU convocation, we had 15 gold medals. Patent filing has been the focus. Out of the 69 patents, 5 have already been granted on campus. Student innovation ecosystem is very huge, 130 ongoing projects. Out of these, 5 startups have already come up on campus and registered with the Department of Industries, and a total of 1.2 crores funded to the projects. We have been rated the Best Engineering College, the Best Engineering College for Innovation. Our teams are winning awards across countries and also across the states. Team Robocon won and was the national champion. They represented India at Mongolia. Our social service through NSS has also been continuously awarded. Consecutive 6 awards have been given to our NSS units. We have a huge library, also an e-library now, and it has been awarded as the Best Institute Library. We are the only institute which has been given a 5-star rating and ranked as the first engineering institution in the state. India Today has ranked us as 28th among the top 100 colleges. Times Education Ranking has given us the 12th rank. AICTE has given us the EduFuture Excellence Award for our industry academia interface. Ongoing projects, we are continuously upgrading. New buildings of computer, IT, chemical, rubber, and plastic are coming up on campus. We are renovating all our administrative blocks and the library. We are also adding components for our sustainable and green campus in terms of rainwater harvesting, sewer treatment, solid waste, solar PV plants. The road ahead, we need to continuously upgrade our laboratories. We need to add emerging technologies, advanced laboratories in AI, ML, IoT, robotics, automation, renewable energy. And therefore, we have a good roadmap which is constantly being observed and reviewed for our infrastructure development. Landscaping is also the need of our, and of course, industry and alumni outreach has to continuously go on. This is also one of the reasons we are outreaching to you, and we hope to keep in touch for all the upcoming projects. Thank you.